we will go ahead with learning date functions. So the date functions are nothing but sometimes we may require the date, today's date or whatever date we want. You can always get it. So for example, I want to store the date of birth of few students. So yes, or the joining date of a employee you want to store. So then date function is there. Get date is also there. Other only date function we have, only day function, only year function. I will show you one by one. So get date as today. So date will always list along with the time also. So this is what is the date function. So it will display the date along with whatever time that is. So we have, let me come back to this, and we further have all the date functions here. Select get date, select sys out, sys this day, date and time together you can display. This is also one of the format. This is also second format. Then I will just execute all of them. That should be more meaning for you. So get date will directly display the date along with the time, and just get date without the alias, it will just display the same thing. It's the same function, just that I have truncated the alias part, this part. Then current date, it will display, but the seconds or minute details have been further extended in microseconds or nanoseconds, whatever you call that as. The ticks have been extended. That's what is sys UTC date time. Then current timestamp. Probably this part will be displayed as the timestamp. Let's see. Or whole of the date along with the timestamp will be displayed. That's what is time. You can truncate some of the values there. And sorry, the day here.
Why would we use a query like this to timestamp?
Yeah, sometimes it will be required. So for example, I want to track a login of the user, right?
Okay.
So how long he has been stayed, or when did he log out? So all that calculation can be done very easily. Or storing just the
Okay.
date of birth of a student. So admission. One student has entered the college, he has taken the admission. We need to know the date of birth as part of the database and the college formalities, right?
Correct.
Okay. So next, the we have a day. Just to, if I mention the date format, and I can always get just the day part of it. Sometimes so it is required to store only the day part of it. So the last part is the day, month, then the year, and whatever format you give, it will pick that particular format. And month also you can try. Month is also there. MONTH. Month also you can just try that. So 9 is the month, so it will pick you and it will display. So these are some